Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a Squid Game animation. So here you can see there are three different symbols which was used in Squid Game. So let's get started and know how we can code this beautiful animation. First of all, we will create our HTML file. Now let's set our title. Now we will include our style.css file. Now we will create our structure, which will be div container, and inside our container we will have three cards. Now let's start styling. First of all, we will set our margin and padding to 0, and box sizing will be border box. Now we will write CSS for our container. Now we will write CSS for our card. Now we will write a CSS to make our background in a pixel block way, so our glowy effect will be look more beautiful with the blocks in the background. So let's add them. So now let's check how our background is looking. So our blocks are too large, so let's make them small by adding 10 pixel in height and width. So let's check now. So now our background blocks are not displaying. Let's change our percentage in background to pixels, so it will display after that. So now it is looking good. Now let's add animation for our three cards. Now let's write CSS for our cards. Now let's write our CSS for card hover. So now let's check how it is looking. So now you can see our whole window is divided into three cards. So now we will add icons from ionicons.com. We will include these two lines after our body tag. Now let's add our icons by clicking on icons, and we will select one will be circle, one will be triangle, and one will be square. Now let's check how they are looking. So now let's center them and increase their font size. So they are big. Now let's center them and add their hover effect as well. So now let's check. So you can see they are looking good. Now let's add some glowing effect as well. Now let's check. So now you can see they are looking really good, but the blocks are not displaying correctly, so let's add Z index to display it. Now let's check. So you can see it is looking really good right now. So this is it. This is our final product of Squid Game cards. So guys, remember me in your prayers, keep supporting me, and I will keep sharing videos like this. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.